Silicone fruit storage box. The container is designed for numerous fruit readers, increase friction, making it easier to open. It saves space and keep food fresh while organizing. Artifit fruit container storage now feature a newly upgraded top cover with a soft, highly elastic food grade silicone film and ABS. These low allow to perfect the sealing without leakage. The rotating lets make it easy to open and seal the container, ensuring long-term use without worrying about wear and tear. These fruit container with super well style fruit storage container, saver container use different shape of fruits, allow you easily identify to find food, reducing clutter in the fridge and easily our food keeper easily clean. You only have a wash it under running water so money and the reduce food waste. It is the factile storage the fruit and vegetable preserve has a unique appearance late transparent you can easily identify. Rocking camping chair, outdoor living great the relaxing of the conflict and the sideline the faceless rocker star from GCI Outdoor is an adult rocking chair that easy to carry and set up relax in comfort on your adventure. This is smooth rocking of any surface anywhere. A front seat perfect for a sport game and backyard lawn barbecue. This rocker chair is ready for anything with a built-in beverage holder within easy reach of the solid armrest and the great back support. You can enjoy more time outside with family and friends. Shock absorber with the pattern sparing action rocking technology let you gently rock to flat, hard, soft terrain. A steady steel frame hold up to 50 lbs, while a durable mesh backing ring throughout. A rechargeable book light, horizontal headbook like the reading book airport and the horizontal head design with the viral indication range 19 LED lamp beat arranged in the sufficient lighting without disturbing other three color of stepless dimming, amber light, mixed light and white light. Short press the color temperature button easily switch color mode. Long press to brightness adjustment button. The bright adjust from 100 to 10%. Soft light for eye protection with professional eye protection. LED lamp beat it emit light without flickering, shadow and glare. The natural and soft light will not tire your eyes even after prolonged use and allow you to fully enjoy the reading time. Rechargeable mini steamer iron can function as both normal iron and steamer iron, allowing you to create the different ironing needs effortlessly. When you plug in the steamer without pressing the button, you can well get an iron. After pressing the button, you can use the steamer. It is highly recommended to use steamer mode, which is better effect than iron. These mini steamer iron portable and lightweight, perfect for travel. The portable stem is luggage and backyard without taking up too much space. If you have planned traveling to Europe, also need the voltage converter with 100-volt high powered. The steamer can iron cloth with constant temperature for 302. If only take the warm and up to 3 minutes, the iron shed much faster than traditional steam iron. Getting clothes back new to the time is excellent for use to iron, getting performational frequent travel or anywhere the who value wrinkle free. It innovative technology guarantee that it's safe to use of any material, including delicate fabric. You can no longer need to worry about it. Automatic electric nail clipper, automatic nail light LED and Nextly light allow you to trim your nails safely even in darker environment. Then press the button alone to turn on the baby nail trimmer. Press the down button alone to turn on the nail polisher. Finger clipper equipped with LED display. You can know the gear power level. Our nail tip cutter operate with only about 45 tech limit of noise. This is auto nail clipper is deal with the toddler and the baby who are sensitive to loud noises. You can easily trim your nail without waking your clipping baby. The electric nail clipper have three adjustable speed level. The switch can be switched between low, medium, and high speed. Need low speed. Meat slicer machine, perfectly slammy Aham Marula will allow you to enjoy your favorite cold cut hard cheese, fruit, vegetable, or even bread like never before. All you have to do is adjust the design thickness for the food. You can easily choose from the razor thin 1.5 slices and start slicing like a pro. Accessory for every modern household. Have ever thought what easier life would you be like if you had a practical meat slicer? You're possible whatever you can planning wine tasting night with your friends, Christmas party with your family, or just want to make yummy sandwiches for your kids every single day. To meat slicer is a must have. Baby shower cap. Soft, environmentally friendly PP, anti-pee durable and resistant to aging. The brim of the PP material can be turned upward. When you flush your baby hair, the water will flow back alone to the head, will more effectively prevent the water from flowing back to the baby face and make the baby feel more at ease in the bath. So the kids shampoo cap protect air water from shampoo foam when washing your hair and keep your face dry, help prevent cut toward water, prohibit air infection and dry drink. The baby shower cap is made from TPE elastomer silicone and the adjustable silicone safety buckle will not harm your baby's hair. Adjustable according to the size of your baby head. Close the baby head. No water leakage suitable for head. Recommended for age baby over 6 months, toddler children and adult. Head size from 38 to 60 centimeters.